Hey guys, it's Miss Sam, and I just want to go over what is to be expected on Monday. So, if you look at our instructions, it says to watch the YouTube video about Because of Winn-Dixie. So, if you look, the first thing you have is a YouTube video about Winn-Dixie. Okay. Next, it says fill out the 1.1 Because of Winn-Dixie vocab. And then you're going to log on to MobyMax and work on your assignment. Your assignment in MobyMax is called Identifying Main Events. And then when you're done, make sure you mark as done. So the first thing that you have is this video. So I'm going to click on it. And this is what it looks like. Okay, you're in. Click on it. And it is a video that I made. So it's going to be me talking about Because of Winn-Dixie. So there are questions about the story and the vocabulary that is on here. Okay. The next thing that is on here is your vocabulary sheet. So your vocabulary sheet that you're going to use looks like this. The vocabulary word that you have is in the middle. So the vocabulary word, if it loads, is memorial. So I have already provided you with the sentence. I spent a lot of time that summer at Herman W. Block Memorial Library. And then it asks you for a definition. So in your own words, what is the definition of memorial? Now, if you forgot, we went over it in this. But if you forgot, I've also attached the slides. So you can open up the slides and you can look on the slides. Now, I put the whole slideshow presentation on here that has everything, but in here, it goes over our vocabulary words. So, the first one is memorial, helping people to remember a person, thing, or event. So, you could put in your own words a thing to help people remember somebody or something. And then it asks you for a picture. So I'm going to remind you how to put a picture in here. So insert a picture. So insert an image from the web. And the easiest way to do this is probably just to type in the word memorial. Okay, here are some different memorials. So you'll click on them. It'll bring them up. And you'll probably just want to make them a little smaller. Okay. Perfect. So, and I'm going to go ahead and undo that. That way it doesn't mess up your document. So then it asks for some synonyms or some examples. So synonyms just mean words that mean the same thing. So if there are any words that mean the same thing as memorial, or if you can think of any examples of memorials, you could put those there. Now, if you can think of any antonyms or any non-examples, you can put those there. Okay. The next word is selecting. You're going to do the same thing. Now, there's a lot of vocabulary words, but I just wanted you to do 4. So I wanted you to do 4 vocabulary words: memorial, selecting, recalls, and grand. So those are the 4 vocabulary words that you have to do. Now I'm going to hit the backspace, make sure I didn't change anything on here. Okay, I'm going to exit out of that. Gonna exit out of that. Now back in here. So you have watched the YouTube video. You have filled out the vocabulary page. Once you're done with that, you're going to log on to MobyMax. You only have one lesson to do on MobyMax, and it is called Identifying Main Events. I have even put in MobyMax here. So all you have to do is click that link. It'll bring you to MobyMax, and once you're done with your MobyMax lesson for the day, you're going to mark this as done. If you need any help, as always, reach out to Miss Shelby or myself, and we will be glad to help.